Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you had a great weekend. Yes, so, where to start? What did I do this weekend? I did spend a lot of time in my room. Surprise, surprise. Yes, my poor husband he's just having a really, really rough time of it health-wise. As per usual, it just was worse this weekend than, most of the time. Anyway, so the poor thing, he was resting on the couch and stuff, so I had time to be in here, which was super nice, Do you think that, take a guess, okay? Do you think I worked on my journaling at all? Okay? Do you think I finished my July journal? Or my August journal? Or my September journal, or perhaps did some pages in my October journal? Folks, the answer would be a resounding no. Actually, that's a lie. I did work this morning a little bit on 2 pages back here that I'll show you in a minute, but oh my word, yeah. So I came in here, I did do things that I wanted to do though. So, that's important. That's important to me. So yes, while I need or feel the need to complete my books, I've told you before, my mojo has gone and left me, okay? She has gone and left me, yeah. So at any rate, I came in here and did things that I just wanted to do, also that I needed to do, but some of them were, or some of it was going through magazines. I did film some videos, so I have some videos up for you coming up in the next few weeks. They have to do with glue books, and I also did a journal with me, so look for that coming up. Oh geez, I forgot to tell you, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time a new video comes out. Yeah, this week I'm really hoping to kind of gather up some time management skills on the fly, because I'm not really good at that. And just when I get home from my early days at work, I really would like to just sit in here, set my timer for like an hour, and work on some pages. The only thing with me is that I really cannot force creativity. If I'm not feeling it, I'm not gonna do it. So that's the only thing. That's why I didn't really work in my books this whole weekend when I had the opportunity to. What I did was I went through magazine clippings. So you guys have seen my harvest videos before, and if you haven't, I do have a playlist, and I'll put it below, just for glue booking, whether it's actually glue booking, gluing stuff into a glue book, or whether it's magazine harvest videos. So I have all of these right here, which aren't very many. I mean, I got through a large stack, okay, of magazines, and you'll see those videos upcoming. But then I had all of these that are just fussy cut items. Like, look at all these fabulous, like this coat here, this shoe, this boot, this dress here, this beautiful lady here, these sunglasses. I mean, all of these I want to fussy cut out because I think they're super cute. So I'm going to work on that, and I was working on it, right, when I was out in the living room just before I came in here. Jack, he wanted to come in here, and now he wants to not be in here, but he's just going to have to live with it. So at any rate, I was out. Oh, look at that hand. That would be cool to fussy cut. It would be very fussy, let me tell you. But I was going to say at any rate again. I say that a lot, don't I? I'm sorry. I say that a lot too. Anywho, I have all of these that I want to fussy cut, and I was sitting out in my chair listening, or just being with my husband because he's watching the games and stuff, and I have no desire to watch the games. So I was gonna fussy cut these, and then I'm thinking I'm missing something, like I forgot to do something. What is it? And then I thought, my ramble session, I completely forgot to do it after all the videos that I filmed this weekend, and then that's the one that I forget to do, right? So I'm doing it now. So I'm gonna work on these in a little bit. Also, I got this in the mail, and I'll talk about that in a second. Another thing that I did, one moment, let me let him out because he's going to drive me insane. Goodbye. So long. Farewell. Okay. So, also, earlier today, my daughter came in and she wanted to go do some shopping, which was fine. And then we had a nice little lunch out together, and we didn't get anything while we were shopping. Oh, no, we did. In fact, she needed fall decor for her room, her classroom. And so we went to Dollar Tree, okay? And I will never go to that Dollar Tree again, I can tell you that. It was like a rummage sale. I mean, there was just stuff all over the floor. It was craziness. I did not prefer it, okay? Just saying. It's not a normal Dollar Tree that I go to. Furthermore, they had no fall decor. Nothing. No fall decorations at all. They've got a butt ton of Christmas decorations, you know, in case you want to decorate for Christmas in October. But, you know, yeah. And they had a bunch of Halloween stuff, you know. We work at a small private Christian school, so no, we do not celebrate Halloween. And yeah, no fall decorations. I couldn't believe it. Could not believe it. And now he wants back in. Okay, guys, this is my life story. Okay. So while we were at the Dollar Tree and they had no fall decor at all, I said, let's go over to Party City and let's just see if they have anything at all. So we went over there, and lo and behold, they did have fall decor. So that was good. So we got that situated. Yes. And there he is. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. Please forgive my dog. You're killing me, dude. You are absolutely killing me. Oh my word. Okay, forgive me. All right, back to this. Okay, so so that was my weekend. Okay, that was my weekend. And last week at work went pretty well. It is, you know, continuing to smooth out a little bit. Last week, though, I did need to substitute teach. I substituted a half a day on Thursday, and then I substituted a full day on Friday for the other 5th grade teacher. Yeah, fun times, guys, fun times, okay? Yeah, everyone survived. Okay, that's about all I have to say. I mean, things went fairly well. Yeah, it's just that, you know, for me personally, and I was a public school teacher for a very short time when I started my career years and years and years and years ago. And then I homeschooled my 2 children all the way through to college and university. And I also taught at our homeschooling co-op, which was a very large group of homeschoolers. So I taught in the classroom there. Really enjoyed doing that. But yeah, I've never had the desire to ever teach in a classroom again, in a school thing, if that makes sense. So yeah, yeah. And so I still don't want to teach in a school setting again. But like I said, we all survived, even the children. Yes, we all came out unscathed, okay? Hopefully unscathed anyway. So yeah, so that was my week last week. And then of course, like I'm leaving Friday afternoon, we're getting a terrific thunder and lightning storm was coming in, was blowing in. And so my daughter came to pick me up at the roundabout and drove me to my car. And then I got into my car, and the only thing I had on my mind was, let me just get home and please let there be a live going on. Of course there was. I think Laura was on when I got home, thank the Lord. But I completely forgot to clock out. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. I haven't done it in weeks. Like, I've been so good. Okay, so anyway. So that was my week last week, and that was my weekend. And yes, had a nice afternoon with my daughter going shopping. And Also over the weekend, I got this Mantra Wellness magazine that you've been staring at for the last, I don't even know, 10 minutes at least. It is a fabulous magazine with wonderful graphics. I absolutely love it. My sweet friend Allison from AJ's Inspired Life turned me on to it. I read it first and then I chop it up into bits, and I use it a lot in my journal. I do not use this magazine in my glue books because first of all, the paper is quite thick, and secondly, it's very whimsical. And yeah, that's just not the style of my glue books. So anyway, I love using them in my journals. Okay, so let's talk about the journal situation, right? Or the non-situation, however you want to put it. So this is actually this weekend's, the 17th Saturday and the 18th on Sunday, which I still need to add some stuff to this, right? Because I went shopping with my girl. But this is all I did like this morning. I put these pages together. Here's my journaling on this little couch thing. These are all from Mantra Wellness. This was a really great article about self-care. Decided to put the whole thing in. Did my journaling on the back there. And then, of course, I will finish journaling some here, putting some notes here that I went out shopping with my girl. And then the rest of it, yeah. Oh, I did do this page. I did happen to film a, what's it called? A journal with me, right? So you'll be seeing that in the coming weeks, okay? Yeah, so if you don't know as well, like with my channel, I do have playlists, you know, so if you're interested in like glue booking videos, go to the glue book playlist. If you are interested on my main channel, I mean, if you're interested in seeing journal with me videos, go to the journal with me playlist. If you're interested in seeing flip throughs, go ahead and go to the flip through one. If you're interested in just seeing these ramble sessions, go to the ramble session one. Yeah. If you want tutorials, go to the tutorial one. Yeah. Feel free to check out. You are not going to believe that Jack wants to get out now. Oh my gosh. I might be minus a dog come tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, be sure to check the playlist because they're all there. So this is my October, and so far I really just have stuff clipped in. You know how I do it if you've been on my channel. If you haven't, welcome. If you're new here, be sure to, one moment please, be sure to click the subscribe button if you want to be annoyed by numerous interruptions, okay? Yeah. You want to join the Hot Mess Club? Go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I come on. Yes, I know you'll look forward to it. So yeah, so far I've just clipped stuff in. I have notes in my phone and everything. I just have not, yeah, mojo is gone. So some days I have stuff done. These are not sticking whatsoever. Other days I don't have anything done, but I have stuff that goes on that page, you know, so it's just a mess, all right? It's just a mess. And I need to have the time and the patience to come in here and fill it and, you know, design the pages and fill it out. And so hopefully this week I'm going to try to arrange some time management. And even if I have to come in here on my short days or even on my long days, you know, when I get home, because I get home at like 4 or so. And so, yeah, there's no reason I can't come in here and just put my timer on for an hour and work on something. And so, yeah, I just need to do that. I still have to finish my September book as well, because let's see, in September, like some of these, see, I have stuff plugged in, but I need to design the page, right? I obviously on this Sunday I was working on the computer all day. So, you know, yeah, I have stuff in here, I have my notes, I just need to sit and do it. I just need to sit and do it and have fun doing it. But, you know, this weekend I had a lot of fun organizing my clippings and filming videos. So that's all good too. And if you're wondering what type of book I use a Golden Book Illustrated Dictionary. I had purchased a set of 6 from my sweet friend Brooke over at Recreations by Brooke. I'll have all the links below. I took the book apart. I expanded the spine to 2 inches, put the book all back together again, and sewed in 2 separate signatures each of my books holds 2 signatures. Now, normally I don't repurpose books. I just use a composition book, okay? And I know somebody had asked me before and I answered her, but just so you know, a composition book is 9 3/4 inches tall and 7.5 inches wide, okay? Now, when I usually deconstruct the composition book, I take all the pages out of it, I take the covers off, and then I increase the spine, and then I put everything back together again and sew in my 2 signatures, okay? So that's how I do my normal books. And then the pages inside here, which this is from the Dollar Tree, and these pages are not the best, okay? I don't care for them very much at all. And yeah, usually I take these out and I dye them colors, you know, using food coloring. And so if you want to, you know how I do that, I'll put the link for that below, how I dye my papers. But yeah, and then I decorate the cover and everything. And then last week, somebody had turned me on to Melanie Sullivan, which I'll leave her link below again. And she has some really cool composition books. You just got to go over to her channel and check them out. I love the way she designs her covers. I love the way that she sews. She actually sews on an acetate, which I think is super cool. So yeah, go and check her out. Otherwise, I think that's about it. My gosh, guys, this is the 3rd time I'm filming this, okay? I don't know what my problem is. I guess I'm just like kind of, what's the word? I don't know. I'm all jumbled up, you know, because I forgot all about filming the ramble. And then I'm coming in here trying to quickly film the ramble, and then I'm making mistakes, or I'm not telling you something that I wanted to tell you. So I really hope this video comes out. At any rate, yeah, this week again, like I said, I'm really hoping to get some time in here to work on my books. I never like to force my creativity, and it's not like I'm going to force it, but I kind of am. Like, I have to tell you, I really want to get these books done because, number one, I love doing them. Don't get me wrong, I do thoroughly enjoy doing them. This is just my passion. I love working in these books. The second thing or reason is because I want to start off the holiday season like ready to go. You know what I mean? I don't want 4 books being monkeys on my back, you know? I just want to be done with them so that I know that everything's in here that I wanted to have in here. So yeah, hopefully that gets done. So I think I will leave you there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe, you know, if you want to hear barking dogs and get interrupted 3 different times and, you know, just see the real hot mess that I am, okay? Yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and look forward to some glue booking videos coming up and a journal with me coming up. And yeah, I'll thank you for your time and thank you for sharing it with me. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.